10 front yard makeover ideas that add real value to your home in 2026. There is a house on my road that sold last spring. Same street, same size, same number of bedrooms as 3 other houses that sold the same month. It went for £18,000 more than any of them. No extension, no loft conversion, no new kitchen. The front yard, landscaped front yard, bold entrance, deliberate design, the kind of curb appeal that makes a buyer slow down before they even open the car door. Because in 2026, the front yard is no longer just the bit between your door and the street. It is the first chapter of your home's story, and buyers, visitors, and valuers are reading it before they step inside. Today I am giving you 10 front yard makeover ideas, ranked by the real value they add, financially, visually, and emotionally. The highest impact ones come first. These are the ideas professional landscapers and estate agents agree on, and every single one is achievable as a modern DIY project this year. Welcome to No Fail Garden, where modern design, genuine attractiveness, and complete uniqueness are everything we stand for. Subscribe right now, because this video could be worth thousands to you. Before we start, what is the single thing about your front yard that bothers you the most? The thing you drive past every day and wish looked different? Drop it in the comments. This entire video is built around solving exactly that. The value principle. 15 seconds. 2 truths. First truth: curb appeal is not vanity. It is measurable money. Estate agents consistently report that a well-landscaped front yard adds between 5 and 10% to a property's perceived value before a buyer sets foot inside. Second truth: the front yard is the only part of your home that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Every neighbor, every delivery driver, every potential buyer, every single person who passes your home forms an opinion in under 8 seconds. Make those 8 seconds count. Idea #1: the statement entrance gate. Nothing on this list delivers more instant, visible, undeniable impact than a statement entrance gate. Not a standard timber panel gate. Not a basic black metal bar gate. A designed gate. Bold geometric pattern, full height. Powder-coated matte black steel that tells everyone approaching your home that what's inside was thought about carefully. Pair it with matching rendered or cladded gate posts, recessed lighting pointing upward at the gate face, and a clean gravel or resin-bound path, continuing the line of arrival beyond it. The gate is the punctuation mark at the start of your home's sentence. Get it right, and everything behind it looks more considered. Cost: a custom laser-cut steel gate, approximately £400 to £900, depending on size and pattern. Posts and lighting, around £150 to £300. Complete entrance transformation, under £1,200. Tell me in the comments, do you currently have a gate? And does it do your home justice? Idea #2: resin-bound driveway with border detail. The single highest value surface upgrade available to a front yard in 2026. Resin-bound aggregate. Smooth, seamless, SIL-DS compliant. Available in a spectrum of tones from warm honey to cool graphite. Transforms a cracked concrete or tired tarmac driveway into something that genuinely looks designed. The luxury detail that separates a standard resin-bound driveway from an extraordinary one is the border. A contrasting color border, darker aggregate framing the main field, or a thin black resin line following the edge geometry, turns a functional surface into a finished design. Add recessed stainless steel channel drainage along the front edge, and the whole driveway reads as engineered rather than just resurfaced. Cost: approximately £40 to £70 per square meter professionally installed. A DIY resin kit for a single car driveway under £500. Idea #3: Architectural lighting scheme. Most front yards go completely dark after sunset. That is a missed opportunity of extraordinary proportions. A considered architectural lighting scheme. Ground-level uplights on key plants. A recessed path light every 1.2 meters. Warm LED wash on the house facade. And a single focused spotlight on one hero feature. Transforms your home's front elevation from invisible to extraordinary after dark. The key design rule. Warm white only. 2700 to 3000 Kelvin. No cool blue white. Warm light reads as luxury. Cool light reads as security. This is the makeover idea that works hardest for the least money. Cost? A complete DIY low-voltage LED front yard lighting scheme, approximately £150 to £350. Professional equivalent, £600 to £1,200. Would you prioritize path lighting, uplighting, or facade washing? Tell me below. Idea #14. The raised planted bed with Corten steel, retaining edge. Replace a flat, forgettable lawn or bare soil front border with a raised planted bed, elevated 200 to 300 millimeters above the surrounding surface, retained by a Corten steel edge that develops its signature rust patina over time. Fill it with architectural planting, ornamental grasses, dark-leaved phormiums, agapanthus, or structural topiary depending on your style, and the entire front elevation suddenly has depth, texture, and a foreground layer that frames the house behind it. The Corten steel edge does double duty. It retains the raised bed and provides a luxury material detail that reads as designed from the street. Cost? Corten steel retaining edge approximately £60 to £100 per square meter. Plants approximately £100 to £300 depending on species and quantity. Idea #5. Rendered and painted boundary wall. An old brick boundary wall, even a well-built one, can silently age the entire front elevation of a home. Render it smooth. Paint it in a contemporary tone, deep charcoal, warm off-white, sage, or slate blue. Add a slim coping stone in a contrasting material, brushed concrete or natural sandstone, along the top. One weekend, one material transformation. The house behind it instantly looks 5 years newer and significantly more intentional. Pair with a bold house number plate in brushed brass or backlit acrylic for a finishing detail that costs under £50 and delivers outsized visual impact. Cost? Render and paint for an average boundary wall approximately £200 to £500 as a DIY project. What color would you paint yours? Drop it in the comments. I want to see what people are drawn to in 2026. Idea #6. The sculpted topiary entrance pair. 2 matching sculpted topiary plants. Cloud-pruned box, lollipop bay trees, or conical yew, positioned symmetrically either side of the front entrance in identical premium planters. Symmetry signals intention. It signals care. It signals permanence. Estate agents specifically cite symmetrical entrance planting as one of the most reliable curb appeal signals to buyers. The planter material is the luxury detail. Fiber clay in a warm stone finish, powder-coated steel cube planters, or simple rendered concrete blocks. The container elevates the plant. Cost? A matching pair of mature topiary specimens approximately £80 to £200. Premium planters approximately £60 to £150 each. Complete entrance pair under £500. Idea #7. The modern house number and mailbox feature. The most overlooked detail on every front elevation in the country. A bold, oversized house number, laser cut from brushed brass, backlit acrylic, or powder-coated black steel, mounted at eye height on a rendered post, or directly onto the wall. Pair it with a matching integrated mailbox, built into the wall render or mounted as a freestanding post box in the same material family, and you have a front entrance detail that signals design consciousness before anyone even reaches the door. This is the smallest budget idea on this list. It is also the one with the fastest visible transformation per pound spent. Cost? A quality custom house number sign approximately £40 to £120. Matching mailbox approximately £60 to £150. Idea #8. The gravelled front, with structural planting. Replace high-maintenance lawn with a considered gravel landscape, a blend of decomposed granite or washed pea gravel. Structural planting emerging through it, clean hard edges defining every boundary. The design principle: no planting without structure. Every plant chosen for architectural form. Grasses, agaves, lavender, rosemary standards, slim fastigiate trees. Nothing fussy. Nothing that requires constant cutting. Add a single striking specimen tree, a multi-stem silver birch, an olive, or a Japanese maple, and the entire front yard has a focal point that makes it extraordinary in every season. Cost? Gravel approximately £30 to £60 per ton. Structural plants approximately £150 to £400. Edging approximately £80 to £150. Idea #9. The painted front door and frame upgrade. The front door is the full stop at the end of your home's curb appeal sentence. A repainted door in a bold, confident, contemporary color, forest green, deep navy, charcoal black, terracotta, or warm brick red, changes the entire mood of the front elevation instantly. Paint the frame too. Replace tired chrome ironmongery with brushed brass or matte black equivalents. Add a simple overhead canopy in powder-coated steel if there isn't one. Plant a single statement pot either side. This is one afternoon, one tin of paint, potentially thousands added to perceived value. Cost? Quality exterior door paint approximately £30 to £60. New ironmongery approximately £40 to £100. Total transformation under £200. Idea #10. The illuminated house name, or number, plaque wall. A freestanding rendered or cladded name plaque wall, positioned at the entrance to the driveway, backlit from behind so the house name or number glows warmly at night, is the single most hotel-like detail you can add to a residential front yard. It signals arrival. It signals permanence. It turns a residential address into a destination. Built from rendered blockwork, clad in porcelain or natural stone, topped with a flat coping. It takes one weekend to build and lasts a lifetime. Cost? Materials approximately £150 to £350 depending on size and finish. Lighting approximately £30 to £60. Quick roundup. Statement entrance gate. The punctuation mark that sets the tone for everything behind it. Resin-bound driveway with border detail. The single highest value surface upgrade in 2026. Architectural lighting scheme. The makeover that works hardest after dark for the least money. Raised planted bed with corten edge. Depth, texture, and luxury material detail from the street. Rendered boundary wall. One weekend that makes your home look 5 years younger. Sculpted topiary entrance pair. Symmetry that signals permanence to every buyer. Modern house number and mailbox. The smallest budget, the fastest visible transformation. Gravelled front with structural planting. Low maintenance, high architecture, all year round. Painted front door upgrade. One afternoon, one tin of paint, potentially thousands added. Illuminated name plaque wall. The hotel detail that turns an address into a destination. 10 ideas. Highest impact first. All modern. All achievable. All adding real value in 2026. Closing. That house on my road that sold for £18,000 more than its neighbors? The estate agent told the seller one thing before listing it. Sort the front yard first. 3 weekends. A statement gate, a resin driveway, and architectural lighting. That was the entire brief. That was the £18,000. Your front yard is not just the bit before your front door. It is your home's most public face, its loudest first impression, its most powerful selling tool, whether you're selling now, in 5 years, or never. Go back to your comment from the beginning, the thing about your front yard that bothers you most. Now tell me, which of these 10 ideas solves that problem with a budget you could actually spend before the end of this year? Drop it below. I read every single one. If this video changed how you think about what your front yard is actually worth, hit that like button. Subscribe to No Fail Garden. Every week we bring you modern design, genuine attractiveness, and completely unique ideas that make your outdoor space worth more, in every sense of the word. Your home deserves a front yard that earns its place. Go build it.